आज हम बात करेंगे सीपीएसई ने दिसंबर 2015 के लाइब्रेरी इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के पेपर 2 के बारे में। द क्लास इंडेक्स एंट्रीज विच आर डिराइव फ्रॉम द क्लास नंबर ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट इन क्लासिफाइड कैटलॉग कोड आर बेस्ड अपॉन द साउट लिंक्स mode of formation of subject oceanography is cluster half life in information science related to rate of obsolescence. As per Indian copyright law, copyright is granted for literary work is 60 years after the book is published. Who chaired the committee set up in October 1984 to formulate the national policy for library and information system constituted by the Department of Culture, Government of India, Professor D.P. Chattopadhyay, Ratnasagar, Ratnaranjaka and Ratnotahi library building were the part of the Nalanda Learning Center. What type of information sources are almanacs, ready reference sources? Which of the is not an essential feature of e-book, mostly cost effective? A database contains 100 records of a particular topic. A search was conducted and 80 records were retrieved, 60 were relevant. What is the recall? 80. What was the teacher of Who was the teacher of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan at London? W.B. Sayers. The 7 basic statistical tools for equality control was advocated by Kauro Ishikawa. Which layer of OSI model occurs between network and physical, that is data link? Number 20 is represented in binary digits 00010 Action research is a longitudinal research. Lodka's law related to the scientific productivity. According to Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, library civics and hygiene means library behavior, library layout and care of the book. Which of the following are not the working group under National Mission on Libraries? That is Library and Information Science Research, Development and Accreditation, Upgradation of the existing academic libraries, university and research in the library. Which of the following are true about publication element of the ISBN? That is variable length and up to 6 digits. Which of the following are used of a work analysis? That is line of authority and unity of the command. Which of the following are impact printers? That is line and dot matrix. Following are some of the problems with typical materials usually faced by the users as advocated by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. That is books with different style and standard and books in the various forms of exposition. According to S.R. Ranganathan, which of the following items are not considered as the fugitive materials? That is books and reports. Fugitive materials which publish acquired very less number and for the local use. Which of the following are the demerits of MPO system? That is oversimplification and all variables are not taken into account. In classified catalog code of S.R. Ranganathan, the conflict of authorship includes person versus person, person versus corporate body and person versus publisher. Which of the services are being offered by National Library, Calcutta? That is lending, bibliography. Which of the following are the level of problems in communication process identified by Warren Weaver? That is technical, semantic and effective. Which of the following are special feature of geographical sources? That is scale and projection. Are in the sequence the evolution of internal processor, that is first 8008, then 80286, then 486 TN CPU and Pentium. Arrange in sequence the basic components of MPO system, that is first setting objectives, then developing action plans, then conducting reviews and last appraising performances. Arrange the following in chronological order, that is first mark, then ISBD, then CCF and last RDA. Arrange the following Public Library Act according to the year of the enactment. That is first Karnataka Public Library, Maharashtra Public Library Act, Mizoram Public Library Act, and last Odisha Public Library Act. Identify the correct sequence according to the year of first publication. First, chemical abstract, then biological abstract, library and information science abstract. Arrange the following publication of X. Ranganathan in the first year first publication. First, Phylogeny of Library Science, then CC, then Prolegomena of to library classification, and last reference service. Indicate online union catalog of Indian University. Soth Ganga, Indian ETD repository. Enlist access for e-resources, UGC Infonet, Digital Library Consortium. Match the following rules for dictionary catalog. Cutter PMEST SR Ranganathan. Systematic indexing case of Nestor Press TC Carver. Match the following Likert type, summation scale, chi-square, test of significance, ANOVA, test of significance of the difference between variable, test of validity, test of the measurement. Match the following Turnitin, anti-plagiarism software, Drupal, content management software, Coral, electronic resource management software, SUSI, user statistic software. Nadi to ascendant, empirical page, ascendant to zenith, hypothesizing page, zenith to descendant, reductive page, UGC Infonet, verification page. The Design Act 1911, the Copyright Act 1957, the Trade and Merchandise Mark Act 1958, the Patent Act 1970. Interlibrary loan service are still a necessity in the information explosion region. None of the libraries are self-sufficient with respect to their holding. Both are true. Open access publication model involves zero cost. Reason: open access increase the visibility of the publication as they are available to users for the free. Both are false. Control vocabulary based on indexing requires intellectual ability to assign keyword to the thought contents of the documents in such a way that these selected terms could effectively represent the content. Reason: retrieval system based on natural language based indexing such as Google gives maximum precision. Both are true. Buying e-journals are advantageous to library as the libraries do not have to follow up the missing issue. Reason: perpetual access takes care of missing issues. Both are true. The product of the relative frequency of occurrence of a word and its range is equal to the constant. Reason: the above statement is known as Bradford's law of scattering. Both are false. What is the impact of ICTs on library and information center? That is, enhance information access and sharing. What is the user's preference in network environment? The access to diversified information easily. Why do the user needs assistance from librarian to access information on the web? Because poorly structured. What is to be done to improve customer service in library information center? User friendly processes. How Six Sigma does lead to quality service in libraries, that is, suggest tools and techniques to organize data. Thank you.